I was asking John, who is this? It's a great song, right? It just feels good.
It's popping.
Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
they would probably
Nice
tell me
one.
to stop. They'd be like, lately.
Very good.
Morning, guys, from Van Nuys Airport. We're gonna go fly to El Paso today.
I am a rocket operator. Yeah, I run all day and I cover every acre. No, I don't hide away. No, I say I'm a chaser. And I keep my light on. Yes, I'm a generator. Just go, steady, go. Just go, ready, go into action.
So, we got the flight plan in there. Tower's still closed, so we'll pick it up here in a little bit.
Yep.
So we're going Harry's 4 off of 16 right to Blythe. Then we're going down to Molly 5 into El Paso from Tees. And so this part of the setup is it's pretty basic in the 100 and even G1000 as far as this airplane. So you got a system LFE, except it knows the FMS off the FMS data what the LFE is. So all the pressurization is auto. You don't touch anything. You just set it and forget it. Engine set. So you'll see right here it's at like 89.3. So you set it for 21. That's what the temperature is. You wait for it to accept. It'll go green. And then you'll see it rolled up a little bit from that. So that's back to that. A couple of the tests we do. So you got the test panel here. So enunciator, you're looking for was it 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's the dump, cutout, fuel, electrical emer, and then the 2 for the CVR over here. And then we leave. So you can hear it.
10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 15 Celsius. Altimeter 2981. Remarks.
Just checking the
Density
continuity.
altitude 1,900.
Just checking the continuity in the system. And then the last one, last but not least, stall protection.
By local time, the common traffic advisory frequency and pilot control lighting are in 119.3. For IFR departure services, contact local
So
approach
what the
on
stall does
119.
is it puts everything over the speaker.
Yep.
Okay, and then we go to, so a couple of things we do, obviously, let me just go back real quick. So, status, you're checking hydraulic pressure, emergency brake accumulator, we've got plenty of oxygen, it's full. You got your flight ID, SAT, TAT, ISA, true air speed on this one if you want to look at that. So we'll go to the traffic. We'll test the T. We don't really have TCAS, we have TIS, but it's the same thing. It's a little bit different, but it's it still has traffic on it. It just won't give you RAs.
Okay.
And then you'll.
Some test passed.
So that's
Van
good.
Nuys Airport.
So we have it on standby. It auto goes. We can turn the traffic to flight ID if we want to. Alt mode is normal. You can do above, below, or unrestricted. We just leave it there so it's within the constraints. And to the weather radar, which we won't need today, but you still want to have it. So put it in standby so it does its warm up.
Okay.
Okay, so we have an active database. That's good. Back to the flight plan. We got plenty of fuel. We need 2,400. We got 2,385. That's a little extra than what we need to. So, all right. So, now for the fun stuff. flight. Okay, Van Nuys to El Paso. Sid, 16 right. Harry's 4, Blythe. Star, Molly 5, T's, 8 right. So then what we have is we have the map when it decides to load, so you can see on this as well. We got charts in here, but we also have charts on here. So you've got the charts for the departure procedure you put up there, and it already loads what you're doing based on, and it's all geo-referenced too. So we'll get that clearance from SoCal. Let's do performance. Take off. So we can go to a bunch of different stuff. You can go to Van Nuys, waypoints. You can put all that stuff in there if you want. You can go. This is all updated on like the Garmin Connect, so. So we can do 3600, 10 miles clear, so 22. So that's 0 knots. And then 2980. So let's go here to that. ATR, dry, off 16 right. So we're going to take off speeds here, landing. So so they are 20. Let's see, wind is 130 at 9. 3011. Okay, so planning probably 8 right. And landing speeds are in there too. So still 8814. We can land flaps 3. We can go to full if there's nothing out there. Just we're limited. So we just go to 3 if we want to. So time of reference. So you go to your takeoff speeds. So 108. 109, 112 for your V2 in case you cook a motor, and then your VFS is 130. So you can always bug V2. So 112 there, 1700 for the hold down there, and then that's all we've got for now, man. That's pretty much set up.
Awesome.
So.
All right, guys, I'll pass it here in a few minutes.
El Paso.
So, welcome aboard, and have a good day today.
El Paso. Ground, Phenom 50, Romeo Bravo at Castle Cook with Bravo taxi.
Phenom 50, Romeo Bravo, Van Nuys ground, running 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
16 right, Alpha Charlie for 0 Romeo Bravo. All right, clear right, clear left, going left.
Number 110 Sierra November, cross runway 16 left, at Charlie hold short, Romeo 16 right. 7 Delta Whiskey, remain on the
takeoff,
east
okay.
side of 5 as you're southbound. Are you transitioning to Burbank?
We're going to go to Santa Monica.
Good to go?
Number 7 Delta Whiskey, roger.
57 Delta Whiskey.
Hold that over there real quick.
Sure.
Just for the time being until we rotate and I can take it. Alright, N1. ATR is green. Speed's alive 3 times.
Number 7 Delta Whiskey, what time is Santa Monica open?
I believe it's 7 a.m.
80.
Number 7 Delta Whiskey, that. Say again.
7 a.m. for Santa Monica.
Go on, rotate.
Number 7 Delta Whiskey, roger.
There's a rig, gear's coming. Alright, 1700 for the hold down.
Headache.
They filled out here.
We fill out like individual trip reports just so for expenses, like who flew what.
Okay.
More weather.
Yeah, pop this off real quick and show this.
No worries. So what we have here is you get some weather.
November 5 Lima Victor, do you
Echo
send
tops.
via the Disney
You got
4,
cloud
right?
tops and you can run it through.
You send via Disney
I'll let you
4,
know
that's
what the
5
cloud tops are. 20, it sort of jives.
Skywest
Looks
5408,
like it does.
going to maintain flight level
So a lot of
300.
situational awareness on this airplane. I like to do echo tops so you can sort of see what the tops are of anything that's building up out there.
Sure, yeah.
More weather. You can go to the wind for 35, 36. Not much wind up here today. It's sort of real light.
That's early too.
With
County 364, you can go to Newman.
with the new ADSB stuff. You know, if you want to see who's who with the TIS, it's really nice. So 21 miles.
Yep.
2,000 feet above FedEx 855.
Good morning, EPS 5513, level 200 for 230.
And then over here,
5513, LA Center, roger. Climb maintain, flight
we've
level
got Delta 914 at 2,000 feet below.
370 EPS 5513.
We've got, once it gets to the broadcast, it's sort of popping in and out. There are 36 miles, 1,000 feet above. And right here, behind, we've got Spare Wings 2932. We're going into LA.
Oh, good. Yeah, do you have ride reports? They've got us down here at 29 for a bad ride, but the final altitude at 350. You got ride reports up there at 350?
That's
I haven't had any complaints all morning. Nobody at
Or the traffic inspect, 11 o'clock in 7 miles, flight is too hot, 6,000 feet descending.
Okay, no join the traffic. We have the field inside Phenom 0 Bravo. Cleared visual approach right, tower 18 for Phenom 0 Bravo. We'll have the tower good morning, Phenom 500 Romeo Bravo is right, state right, visual approach.